Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So I think today I have planned to discuss very important topic that is like I think you remember guys what we talked about BAPIs.
Um, yes.
Anyone came across BAPIs? Like while discussing function modules, I remember we explained about what is BAPI and everything, right? So in standard, whatever if we want to create any documents, like suppose purchase orders, sales orders, and anything, we have already set of function modules which create such. Suppose you take it ME21 and we can create purchase order through this T code. But now I have a requirement. I don't want to go to T code and put some values and everything. I want to load it through a program. Just like how did we do for upload programs, remember?
Yeah.
Uploading file data to the inside the text format and uploaded through BDC, right? So
Yes.
similar way, what we'll do, we'll use the BAPI today to create a purchase order.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing, whenever somebody comes and give you a requirement, like we have to upload, we need to develop an upload program for purchase order, right? So the first thing you will have to look for is what is the load methodology. So always first look for a BAPI function module. If it is not available, then go for BDCs, but always recommended to go for BAPIs. Okay. So when I just say let's load up, I want to load because from ME21 and each record should be created single at once. But I know I have a requirement that I have thousands of lakhs of purchase orders to be uploaded. So in that case, what you'll have to do, you'll have to develop a program, capture the data from the file, and that data you have to pass through the function module, and then that function module will create a purchase order in table AKKO and EKPO. Right? You guys are getting what is the requirement,
Yes. Means same
Ashish?
as we put means data using the program in the DDIC table. That same like that
Yes,
or
all this time we talked about Z table upload, but now we are uploading the standards. We are
yes. Yes.
creating POs. That means we are creating ME21 transaction from background.
Yes.
Ashish,
Yes.
are you getting what did I explain? Can we repeat?
Yeah. No, can you please repeat that one?
Your voice is very low, Ashish.
Yeah, can you please repeat that one?
Yeah. So we are trying to create purchase order from a program, not through T code. So the methodology that we will use is a BAPI. So I will give you an idea how to do. I want you guys to do this. Okay. So I let me just share. I'll give you every necessary things required, but program has to be developed by you. Okay. So when I say about creating purchase order, then what is the T code that we go? We go to ME21N. This is the T code for creating purchase order. Okay. So when I just go, you remember we had created so many purchase order. Here what I'll do, I am just giving some vendor, okay, and press enter. Okay, so it is asking me to put the purchase order. So whatever the messages keeps coming, you just enter them and do like that. Okay, I'm just again enter. Now error has gone. Because that means your order is correct. But I just want to put some material. Okay, item I want to create a purchase order for. I'm just giving something. I'm not entering anything. So it is giving me error that enter a plant. So I'll have to enter a what's the plant? Where's this? Okay. So suppose I want, now it is giving me error like enter a plant. I'll enter some plant. Okay, now everything is fine. It is again giving me error, enter a quantity. So here is the quantity. Like you have given the material, but how many quantity you want to purchase, you did not give. That is a mandatory. So I'll purchase 10 quantities with price of 100, I'll just say. Okay, 100. Okay, right? So net price then is adopted from the last document. Okay. So now I'll just try to save my document. Otherwise, you can just do a check also. In check, if it everything is fine, then save it. Okay, so now your purchase order is created. See, 415 is your purchase order. Just open it. This is your purchase order. And when it will save in table. EKQ is the header table. EKQ, I'll open this 5 document. This is your header table. See, it got created with my user ID, today's date. Very limited data we had put on the screen, right? Then also you are able to create purchase order. Similarly, now what is the requirement? So for creating a purchase order, there is a already standard function module present, which is called BAPI PO create one. This is your standard BAPI, which is already available. Okay. So what you have to do, just go to AC37, open this BAPI and execute directly, and all that data you put on the screen have to put it here. Okay. So I'll put here, and all that data once I put, I'll try to create it through this function model. It has to save my data in my table here. Getting, guys? Idea? Don't get
Can you repeat
confused
once?
because this is
Yes.
very, very important. And these are the requirements that comes for sure in any project. Okay, so these are the today we have created 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 5. Okay, so what I'm
Can
telling, I'll
you, hello?
go to this BAPI,
Yes.
execute this BAPI from SE37 and put the same data you put on ME21N and put it here. So if you see here just are work areas and parameters. These are all work areas. And below is the tables. When in tables, there are internal tables. Okay. So here work area means your single records we will enter it here. And here in tables, we will enter multiple records. Okay, so let me just quickly explain you how can we enter data. Only limited data we will put it here. Whatever we had put in the ME21 screen. So what did we put? We just gave a vendor. Okay. So vendor, I'll copy the same vendor from this one. What is the vendor? If I just see the vendor is this one. Let me copy the same value of vendor. PO number is auto-generated. Company code it is asking. See, what you have to do once you come here, let me just quickly show you. So you have to first give the header data and then header data X table. I'm just giving header data and item X table. These are the 4 values I'm just putting it here because on ME21 also we only gave header में क्या what are we gave? We just gave vendor, we just gave purchase organization, and what else we did do? Purchasing document, right? Purchase organization, then we give purchase organization, purchasing group we give, and company code was auto-populated. But whatever it is auto-populating on the screen level, you have to explicitly give one when you are using the function model or creating a program. Okay, let me just, we will go very slow, don't worry. Anytime you get a doubt, stop me there. So now I'm just giving the same value. Just click on this button you see. Just click on this one. You see something like this. Now you have to click on this tree structure. Click here. So you will have a like this window open where you will give the PO. PO number we are not creating, right? So system will automatically create. So we will not give the PO number. What will give? We'll have to give the company code because company code was auto-populated on the screen. But you have to give it here. 001 I'll give same as what we did. Document type we did not give. So what else we gave? Created date, let's just give today's date because sometimes it asks. Okay, I'm not created by, I'm not giving it. Vendor you gave on the screen. So vendor, I'll just copy the same value from the table and put it here. Nothing else, right? Okay, purchase order we gave 001 and purchasing group also we gave. What is the purchasing group? 001 001. Okay, nothing else we gave, right? Just enter and go back. That's it. And you have to, whenever you give something like this, there is also a X table, what we call. So whatever data you put on the header data, you have to, for all those values, you just keep on passing XX. Company code we passed, right? So press X. And created date we passed, vendor we passed, I think purchase org we passed, purchase group we passed, right? What all data you passed on the header work area, you all that X you have to pass it in this work area. Done. So this is your header details. Now I gave item detail also, which is material. So item number you have to pass. What was my item number? I gave 10. So item value 10. Short text, I'll go same, I'll do the same one. So short item value, we have to get it from EKPO table. I'll go back slash AC16M. I'll open EKPO table. This is my purchase of, sorry. This is EKPO again. I'll have to go for EKPO is my item table. Okay, I'll open the same purchase order, and I'll open what are all the material short text. Short text is this one. I'll just copy the same only, nothing else. I'll copy, paste it here. Then what is has material? Then material will give, this is my material, this is my material. Okay, so material I'm giving. Nothing, what else we are giving? What company code we have? Company code is where? Plant we have, right? Plant is there, 0001. Okay, so nothing else. Company code is not here, so I'm not giving it here. Quantity we have to give. I think quantity, order quantity 10 we gave. So the same 10 I'll give. And I think what else we gave? Net price we gave, right? 100 or something. Net price I gave it. So I'll just go down. Net price. Here is the net price field. Again, I'll give some 200, right? So all that's all I gave. Go back. And again, when you give item, you have to just give an X structure also. Click on this and just keep on giving XX for all the values that you pass. Item value have to paste it here also. There I gave 10, here also I have to give 10. Item X, yes. And short text we did, material we did, and plant we did. And what else? I think PO unit quantity we did, sorry. Quantity we gave and net price. Where is the net price? Net price, right? Clear, guys? Are you guys getting it? That's it. That's it I want to give. Once you gave, just try to save. This is like a saving your variant test. So again and again, you don't have to give fields for data for all these values. You can use the same variant next time whenever you, and if you want to change data, you can change in that. PO1 I'll give test underscore PO1. So once you give that, you can see all your data here, test underscore PO1. So whenever I just select this, all that data comes automatically, right? So nothing
Yes.
else. Now there is nothing you have to give. Just try to execute this one. So this return table you see, in this return table, you will get all the return messages if there are any errors or success also. Remember, we had a return message for VAPIs also when we were doing, whenever we run that call transaction, all the messages we used to get in some internal table, right? Same way it happens here. So I executed. If you see, my exporting parameter has given me an purchase order number. That means 22416 got created, right? So in my return, if you open, there are two entries with success, standard PO created, right? That means we are successfully created the document. But now if you just go see, I'll just refresh. It is not showing me any data. Why? Because just go, I'll just give 16 here. 16 was my entry got created. It is not created. Table page, it's not showing me. Why? Why? Because whenever you perform any standard FMs, whenever you do any standard FMs, SAP has given us the functionality that you have to commit that data explicitly. Use commit function model. So what does
Okay.
that mean? So you have to just go to function module, execute with test sequence. Like this you do. So on the first, we are calling BAPI PO create one. In the next, what we'll call, what was that BAPI? Transaction commit something. Commit. There is one BAPI for commit. Start commit. I'm going to respond it. BAPI start commit. Start.
BAPI transaction.
Yes. This is the function model. Okay. So this is the function model you have to use. BAPI transaction commit. Now execute it. So it will call both of the BAPIs. Once I call first, my first PO create one got triggered. Now you have an option to select your data from test directory and select directly your PO1. Right? So all your data has come. See, whatever you gave, all that data has come here. Go back.
There also in the table.
Yes. Here also it has come. And in item also it has come. And in item X also it has come. Right? So you just have to execute this now. Don't do anything. Execute. If everything is success, if successfully created, that means you will get a purchase order number. If there are any errors, these all will be blanks. But instead, you can check the error messages in your return table. Okay, if all is success, now executed, just go back. Again, your commit will trigger. BAPI transaction commit. Now commit for this. Okay. Now your data will get created. Okay. So now what was that document? 17, right? 16 what not, 17 got created. Just double click, see.
Yes.
My 17 has come to the table. You can open this 17 in your EKQ also. Go to ME23 /N ME23. Open my this document. See, 17 is the latest one always shows here. Right? So this is my PO that got created. Clear till here, guys? Let me know any doubts in this. Now, I want you guys to perform the same using program.
Okay.
You have to build a program to do the same, whatever I'm doing. Don't just go to AC37 and do like what I did. I want you guys to call this function module inside your program and pass all these values.
And same as GTable we have done like that one.
Yes, yes.
Fields will be from the
Fields
this
will
one.
be whatever I have passed
Okay.
here. See, just open, you guys will have a same variant. Open this in your system. Everybody open this in your system.
Which one?
SE37. Open
Yes.
BAPI underscore PO underscore create one.
Yes. This one.
Open
Underscore.
this PO underscore create one. Ashish, can you just share your
PO
screen?
underscore.
I'll stop right now. You guys have to develop a program. You guys opened?
Yes. Function
So
model
once
I
you,
opened.
yeah, execute that function model. Execute from here.
Yes.
Okay. So once you execute, you will have a test data directory. Open this test data
Yes.
directory and select test PO1, which we said.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So see all what are all the parameters. has been passed here. All the parameters that I'm passing values, take all those in your final structure. First thing, create a structure with all these values. Company code I have taken, yes. Create date I have taken, yes. Vendor I have taken. Again, you cannot just copy the names like this. You have to find a standard data element for those. You can copy those into your variable. Like company code, what we have, bookers. You have to take these technical fields, not in function module, they are like user friendly names. But in program, you have to always take bookers, right? So take bookers, and next what we have, vendor as in listener. See listener, vendor. You can just check here, vendor, listener. Then what else we gave? We gave purchase org. Purchase org is here. See, this is your purchase document. Purchase org is here, purchasing organization. That is EKORG, and purchasing group EKGRP, right? So like this, you have to take and create at least a structure.
Okay.
IT final structure you guys create. After that, I'll tell you the next step. Okay, let me just stop. Anyone can share their screen. It is a very, very good practice for you guys. This is the most requested like requirement that keeps coming in any project. Once you are clear with this, what we are doing today, it's like you have a command on the back. So because here, what all is coming here, even your function modules are getting covered here, you will have you passing data comes into picture, right? Who is sharing screen? Ashish, will you?
Structure name, what or anything?
Sarvesh, you can go ahead, share your screen.
Structure name.
Anything
I'm
you
not
can.
able to share. I'm not able to share.
Okay. Sarvesh, you can share
No,
your
I'm
screen
also
or
not able to share.
yeah,
Worst.
anyone can share. It's clear. Open both the your AC37 and AC38, create a program and create at least TY final. What your structure, final structure you guys create. That structure should have table item level fields also and header level fields also. Okay, no need to create separate, same structure. Inside that only you create an item level, this one. I think now you guys can try to share what happened. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Service, can you share your screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Open the same document that we created, right?
This one only, no?
Let me yeah. No, if you want to check on the table level, let me just give you 45 3 times 0 double 417 document PO number. In EKKO table, put this
Okay,
EDD
once
element.
again.
45
45
000
00
22
yes.
417
41
7.
this one.
One second.
Hello. That columns, how to check? One.
Hello?
Yes, columns, how to check in this means you had
No, no,
opened
no, no. Acha, you're creating a global structure?
structure is
Okay, maybe. No, I was thinking you can create even a local structure in your program.
okay.
That is also fine. This is also fine.
So now
No, you have already created it. You can use this one only. Add fields inside this itself.
in this that how to check that entry in this column?
This is AC69. You have to check in AC37, right? The variant
No,
is
no,
already open. Yeah,
that the columns
double
how to
click
check
on
it?
that. Double click on that data.
Okay, like this. Okay.
Ashish, please form parallel.
C is what field?
No, you can even check the values itself, right? So values you check it, what values are there, that field, particular field you can check.
Oh,
Here everything is available. You can go to first SE37, check what is the next value you gave, and come to SE69, what is that technical name, then go to structure.
yes.
Did we give BSTYP in my SE37? Please check. Third one. No, here in table it will populate, but you take one table, there are so many things that is auto populated. You don't want to give all of them. Just give only the data that I gave in
Here only, no?
SE37.
Hello.
You guys can hear me?
Your voice is little low.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, go to AC37. It's already open, sir.
Yeah, open. Yes, that.
Yeah. Okay, so can you just click on that second after refresh? There is a tree structure. Yes. Okay. So you gave first you gave company code, then you gave create date. That's all you have to
Yeah.
give. Vendor. There
Okay.
is no
Okay. Okay.
category.
So this data only. Okay.
What is that field? ZBD1P did we give?
Discount percent.
Where did we give that value? Go to AC37. Did you give? Those are on zero. We have not given anything. See, those are
Okay.
default values that
Purchase
are coming.
only this one
Yes.
item.
Yes, purchase or purchase good. That's it.
I'm not able to create. It's asking access key.
Ashish, you are creating a Z structure or any structure with not starting with Z.
In in, in anything, it's asking for access key only. When I enter access key, now it's
I'll stop you share otherwise.
Ashish, you are creating any standard programs?
yes.
Why?
We have told na the standard program here.
Program is always Z. You will not create anything standard. You are using a standard function module, BAPI, I'm telling you, inside your Z program. You will never ever create a standard program in AC38. It's always Z. Understand? We are almost end of our sessions or course.
Yeah.
Even the structure what service is creating itself is a Z structure. You are performing an object repository that is through BAPI. That is a standard function module, not your program. What I said, use this standard function module inside your program to create views. Yes, go ahead. Create the structure also. Service this way. Service is doing. Service can you share this with me?
This much only, no?
You took both, right? Purchase organ, purchasing book. Yes, that
Yes.
was enough. Now also take the item fields. Ashish, you can
Item
copy the
fields.
same values that he is taking in the structure.
Item
And if you
fields.
want, you can create your local structure. The item fields as in go to EKPO and open the same purchasing document.
Okay.
Or go to AC37. You have to open both sides. First window. First tab. Go back. Below, you just scroll down. Yes, there is item table, right? One above that, not X1 table, above that. Second table,
This one
view
only, no?
item.
Okay. Once again.
Second table, view item. Yes. Roughly tell it this one is.
Um, purchase order is no. Or
Purchase order you don't have to give, only if item you'll have to give. You will not get item details in EKQ.
Oh,
Open
so
EKPO for item
okay,
details.
okay. I have not worked on this purchase order, so I
Yeah.
purchase order number. Purchase document number is what is that? Or it's the hello.
Ashish, you creating global structure or local structure?
Yeah, global structure.
Okay. You could have created in program. Click on the tree structure, Sarvesh,
Oh,
on SC37. Yeah, this will be easy.
right.
Plant, here I think only short text, material, plant, quantity and net price. Only 5 to 6 fields.
Yes.
Material, Matner, maybe. Matner, no. Take Matner. Yes. It's works underscore D. Yeah, underscore D. Okay, just remove it then. Remove D.
Okay.
The only works. Yeah, that's good. No, enter again. No, just press enter. No.
Okay.
Why is it showing a table with 0 by length? No. Works go to that EKPO. Yeah, it's works only, right? Close this. Go back. Double click on EKPO, table name. Okay, here from here you can copy the works underscore. It's ework. See above. Ework above. Below.
Uh,
Works, yes. The search control F works. No, it's above there, right there. Right?
One second.
Copy that E word. First
Yes,
one that
yes.
has come.
This one, yes, yes.
Copy this one. Enter. Yeah.
Yeah. Now quantity.
Quantity. Quantity. No, it's fine. Here also you can get. Yeah, go back, then that will be better. Go back. Yes, 69. Execute. Click on the first button there. Sorting is there. Left on the
This
sorting
one, no?
left side above that. No. Below.
Where?
Just above when we put this sort
Yes,
appending.
this
Yes,
one, no?
left to that there is one more button. Yeah, click here. So quantity is I think technical field you will have to do. Okay, maybe it's not visible here. Close this. We can do double click then.
This one only, no?
Yeah. Quantities KT menge order quantity. MENGE
This one,
100.
no?
Yes. Copy new this one.
Now,
Price, net price.
price. Net order value.
Net price. Yes, that's it. NETPR. Activate your structure. Just create an internal table and work area to your structure. Okay, maybe it will ask you this net price reference bill. Go back. So whenever you just try to give any price fields now, standard asks you to give the reference. Menge also
Yeah.
it did not give the correct one. See, you can do the same.
Yeah.
Go to
Yes,
EKPO.
yes.
BSTN. Enter. Yeah. So just click on that tab. Uh, there is tabs right above. Yeah, quantity
Currency.
and fields. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm,
So here, go to your SE11 wala EKPO. EKPO is open, right? All tabs.
Yes.
Okay. There also
This one
you.
only.
Yes. There also click on currency and quantity fields. Yeah. So you can
Yes.
copy
This
for
one, no?
net for Menge also and for net price your NETPR.
Yes.
Copy the same EKKO, WAERS and EKPO means. Menge, whatever it is there, the same EKPO and I think Menge it is means. It is means. And net PR it is where's. And for net PR it is EKKO, not EKPO.
This one.
Yes.
Purchase quantity.
No, that is EKPO. नीचे वाला. Yes, means. Yeah, enter, no activity. So what next you can ignore? Yeah, go back. Just give an enhancement category, go to extras.
Yes.
Yeah, activate again. So create a program and just declare this internal table and structures for this using this internal table and work areas using this structure.
Yes.
So today we will do thing here and logics and everything can continue. Just create an internal table and work area. No, sir, we should not declaring it correct.
Right.
But I don't want to help here also. You have to find a way out. Ashish, where have you reached? Can you share your screen, Ashish?
In AC37, I'm not able to find that thing.
You're not able to find what?
I have opened that AC37.
Okay, BAPI underscore PO underscore create one.
Yeah, that one I have opened.
Execute it, not open. Please share your screen. Execute it. How do you execute? Third wala button. In program, how we execute? Yes. Go to test data directory. There is about yes. Select the last one. Double click on the last one. Yes. You got it?
Yeah.
So you haven't created a structure, I guess.
Uh,
No, right?
yeah.
Okay, so
No,
you
just
can,
create this.
yeah, you can go ahead, create all the structures. And also internal table declarations, work area declaration in your program will continue. I
Okay.
want you guys to do this struggle part. Sarvesh, I'm not gonna help you on that also.
Yes, yes.
Come up with the
Sure.
solution. Tomorrow we
Yes,
can
yes.
continue.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
So structures you have created, you just have to use the same structure for your declaration of your internal table and work area. At least I want only these two declaration in your program. That's it. Okay? Clear on this? Any doubts to be for next steps? No, right? Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you for joining. We can stop it.
Yes.
So,